Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use GIF on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on in screen, where you can see plus icon at bottom. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can create a post, story and templates. So to show you the GIF, let's upload some of the photos or videos. Now click on next, and now at right side you'll be able to see the sticker option or icon. So you simply need to tap over there, and now in here you can use GIF. So basically this is how you can use GIF on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.